So you're wondering if you can add inserts into your digital planner. Yes, you can. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can customize your own digital planner by adding in inserts and share a few of my favorites along with a few freebies. Hey, I'm Lindsay with Organize to Save, and if we're just meeting, I'm here to help you get organized, be more productive, all on a budget. Before we dive into today's video, if you missed my video where I show you exactly how to download and start using your digital planner, you're going to want to go check out that video. I'll have it linked above and in the description down below. I'm going to walk you through how you can really make your planner customized to your need. I'm going to walk you through how you can add in inserts, and specifically I'm going to show you a couple from my shop. I'm also going to share just some general hacks with you that you can use with digital planning. So this first insert that I'm going to share with you is my daily top 3 insert. Now this is available in my shop. Included in my planner, there is a weekly spread that I absolutely love, but some days you might just need a little bit of extra space. I created a daily insert that you can use for those days that are just a little cray-cray and you need some extra space in order to tackle your to-do list. So once you've purchased your insert, let's go ahead and dive into the iPad. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you exactly what to do next. So real quick, the inserts that I am selling are not only a downloadable PNG that you can insert into your digital planner, but they are also printable PDFs. So best of both worlds, if you want to use this printed out, you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and let's check out how to import your insert. So first, go to the upper left-hand corner, click on those 4 squares and go to your spread screen. Again, this is going to show you all of the spreads that are in your planner. You're going to want to find the blank page that is included in the insert section. Go ahead, hit that little arrow button, duplicate it, and then move that blank page to wherever you want this insert to go. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and put it right after January because this is going to be my daily spread. So up in your toolbar, go ahead and click on the picture. Now I will say that you have to have your insert saved to your photos so that way you can actually access it. If you have the insert saved, you should see it pop up when you hit the little photo icon. Now hold down and you're going to want to say crop. The reason why we want to do this is because we want to kill off that extra white space in your planner so that way when you insert it into your spread, it fits nicely. So go ahead and just pull that in all around as much as you can, and then use that little arrow button down in the bottom right hand corner to adjust it until it fits nicely in your spread. This might take a little trial and error, but once you have one set, we'll be able to duplicate this so that way you don't have to do this every single time you want to use this spread. Now you will see that I've actually provided a black insert as well. So if you want to keep your planner to a more neutral color scheme, you can do that. So again, just go ahead and crop it all around the insert, removing the extra white space. And you're going to want to use the rectangle feature for this instead of the freehand tool, because that's going to give you a straight line all the way around the insert. So at this point, you can see that we have our insert laid nicely into our planner, and now you can actually start utilizing this to plan out your days. So at the top, I've included a spot where you can put your date. And the thing that's really unique about this plan sheet is that you have all these different focus sections. So when you're planning out your day, I want you to focus in on those top 3 things that need to be done during that day. So for example here, I needed to create some new planner inserts, write a social post, and then I really wanted to focus in on having some family time. So I love utilizing time blocking for my day. So I created a morning, an afternoon, and an evening slot where you can put down the tasks that need to be done during that day or appointments that you have. And then down at the bottom, there's a meal section. Now this is large enough when you zoom in if you want to put your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, etc. But I personally just keep track of my dinner. Now this habit section I really love, but this is a great spot where you can keep track of those habits that you want to do on the daily. Now the to-do list section is where you just put all of your general to-dos. So, if you need to do the dishes or switch the laundry, make phone calls, those things that you need to do that don't necessarily need to fall within a certain time block, or you like to just see a glance list of everything that needs to be done during the day, that's where you're going to put it. The notes section, you can use that for whatever you want, but it would be a great place to write down special things happening that day, like your best friend's birthday. And don't forget to actually call them on their birthday. So the bottom section is the thing that I love most about this insert. We need to celebrate our wins, people. We get so caught up in looking at the to-do list, seeing all the things that we have not done, we forget about all the amazing things that we have done during the day. So at the end of your day, before you hit the pillow, write down everything that you did get done that day. You are going to feel a huge sense of accomplishment seeing all of the amazing things that you got done during your day. Don't forget to celebrate. So in my shop, I also have a grocery shopping / meal planning insert. Now included, you're going to again get the digital and the printable PDF format, and you're not only going to get a weekly insert, but also a bi-weekly insert. So now these are going to import the exact same way as we did our daily insert. Go ahead and crop them down to fit inside of your planner. And great tip for you is to utilize your tabs on the side. So you see those numbers 1 through 5. You could have one of those tabs as your grocery shopping list, which I am doing in mine. So the thing I like about these inserts is that you can not only plan out your meals that you're having during that week, but also write down your shopping list. Since this is digital, if you're using it in the digital format, you can access this on your phone while you're grocery shopping. No more forgetting those lists at home, people. Now you can do this same concept with any insert that you might come across. For example, if you've downloaded my free family budget worksheet, which I'll have linked down below if you want to check it out, you can add that in your planner as well. I show you in my video of how to have a family budget meeting, how my husband and I use our family budget meeting insert in my planner. And again, I have a separate tab in my planner, one of those 1 through 5 tabs on the side, designated for our family budget worksheet. So I hope that you get excited about the possibilities and the different ways that you can customize your digital planner. And then it shows you that there's really no limitations to the different ways that you can use this planner. If you want to check out any of the inserts or this digital planner, I will leave a link to my shop down below. Don't forget, before 2019 ends, that I've got a special promo code where you can get $5 off your planner. If there's something else that you would like a deeper dive into, make sure to leave me a comment down below so that way I can create a future video on it. If you're looking for more ideas on how to utilize your planner well, check out the video on your screen right now for tips on how to use digital stickers in your planner. Until the next video, happy planning!